Recently, in the European Union, there was a directive that was adopted to enhance enforcement of EU law and policies in specific arenas or areas of society. So, in the EU, this could involve public procurement. This could involve financial services and the markets. It might be money laundering. Maybe there was a bank that was allowing terrorist financing to go on. That's actually happened before. It's not that absurd. HSBC was accused of this. Transport safety, protection of the environment. They might be involved in pollution. There could be nuclear safety protocols that are being violated, maybe food safety or agriculture, maybe animal cruelty is occurring. There could be public health violations. Consumer protections might be undermined. And there also might be privacy protections and personal data privacy that isn't being respected. So the whistleblowing could involve the security of networks and information systems. And so they're working to reinforce and expand the protections for whistleblowers throughout the entire EU and make it possible for any residents in the EU to enjoy these protections. So there's a Spanish whistleblower named Roberto Macias who filed an appeal with the EU, and he's one of the first whistleblowers to claim under this new directive that he should be protected. And what makes this story important is he already faces a 2-year prison sentence for disseminating allegedly confidential documents when he exposed fraud that resulted in a major prosecution in Spain. And the sentence was widely viewed as whistleblower retaliation. This was covered by the New York Times recently. He worked for 4 years as an official for one of Spain's two main unions, which is called the General Union of Workers. He suspected the union was engaging in wrongdoing, and so he downloaded thousands of computer files from his workplace, according to the New York Times. And then in 2013, a few months after he was laid off, he leaked these files to Spanish newspapers. That led to a national scandal. It implicated officials in the misuse of public money. And then the money that the union received was supposed to be spent on helping the unemployed, but it wasn't. It was going towards feasts for the union, and there were other accusations that were made about the abuse of these funds. And so Macias, even though he leaked the files anonymously, the union turned around and supported cyber detective work to expose his identity. When they found out who was responsible for the release of these files, they filed a criminal lawsuit against him, and they argued that under Spanish law, he was supposed to protect confidentiality in the workplace, and he should have complained to the court or the police, and he should not have gone to the press with these allegations. And then that led to his prison sentence, which he is now working to overturn, and would like the EU to help him so that he does not suffer for exposing what most of the press, and I assume Spanish society, agrees was a scandal.